Everyone wants to know ways to make money online. On this channel, we want to help you start making money online without putting in much effort. Everything we talk about here is simple and fast. So make sure you stay to the end of the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on regular uploads teaching you how to make money online. Okay, let's begin. We are going to visit Remotask.com, a very popular website with great feedback and a good track record. All you do with this website is complete certain tasks, but you should know these guys are legit and you can make some good income by sticking around to find out more. They have over 240,000 taskers on Remotask, and you can see the reviews in this section. In 3 easy steps, you can be making money doing these legit tasks. Step 1 is learn how to do the tasks with their quick online course. Step 2 is you work on projects that you've unlocked. And finally, you get paid on a weekly basis via PayPal based on the quality and number of tasks completed. No prior experience is needed. You can get free training by their certified team members, so don't worry if you're nervous. You can work from anywhere, anytime. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, something you obviously have since you're watching this video, which I hope you've liked already. All you have to do to get started is sign up for a free account. After that, you'll be able to join them using your Facebook or Gmail account. Once in your account, you can start taking courses in the Remotask Training Center. Then, you can start tasking and earning. Want to find out more ways of making money online? Check out some of our other videos and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any uploads. Until next time.